Hello, my dear students. Welcome to week number 5. Let's review the content. Okay, so let's start with learning objective. Students will understand that the world is constantly changing based on the contributions of historians, researchers, scientists, and other characters who have communicated their discoveries and theories to society with the use of appropriate language. What is the value of the week? Critical thinking. The topic, ideas that changed the world. Subtopic, how some ideas have changed the world. How to be creative to generate ideas to change our world. Okay, this is our first activity, vocabulary activity. Find each of these words listed below in the alphabet soup and 5 extra words related to human rights hidden in the reading from reflection reading activity. So, what are you going to do over here? You have 5 words: events, created, large scale, discoveries, and inventions. You're going to find them in our word search. For example, the first one, events. Over here I have the word events. Okay? But when you read your reading and reflection reading activity, you are going to look for 5 extra words. Okay? So in the reading, we're going to check which kind of words you can find over here in this word search. Okay? So you're going to write in number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. You're going to complete these 10 words using the words from the vocabulary from the reading. Okay, let's check. Okay, so here you have the reflection reading activity. Remember that this is a reading, and then you're going to find 5 words over here for the previous activity, for the vocabulary activity. Okay, so let's do right now the reading. Read the following passage and find the positive and negative effects of human intervention in our planet. Now we're going to listen carefully. We're going to replay if it's necessary in order to improve your pronunciation. So listen please very carefully.
Subnivel Bachillerato, Semana 5, page 14. Reflection Reading Activity. A. Read the following passage and find the positive and negative effects of human intervention in our planet. Both sides of human intervention. Humans have inhabited the planet for about 2 million years, and during this time, many events have occurred. Human intelligence has created several things. Many of them have helped humanity face diseases and threats. Discoveries and inventions such as vaccines and antibiotics have saved thousands of lives. The printing press has allowed us to share more knowledge, and transportation has helped us move around the world and trade with other countries. Technology has shortened distance communication and informs us in seconds of events all around the world. However, not all inventions are positive. Other discoveries, like technology used for war and mass destruction, as well as nuclear, chemical, or biological bombs, are extremely dangerous and might lead humans to extinction. Industry causes high levels of pollution and releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and lots of toxic chemicals are dumped into rivers and seas. Global warming is a reality. Everyday activities such as producing our food or commuting, using plastic, large scale fishing, monoculture plantations, among others, are destroying our planet little. We hear about hundreds of plant and animal species that are endangered or even extinct.
Okay, if it's necessary, you can repeat it again in order you listen and improve your oral pronunciation. Okay, guys, so after listening, we're going to do this activity. It says, make a list of all positive and negative developments found in the passage. With the information that you have in your reading, you're going to complete this chart, positive and negative. If we talk about the developments, it could say, for example, that positive, I can write down over here, according to the information from the reading, I'm going to write down vaccines and antibiotics. That is positive because it helps people to feel better, right? Vaccines and antibiotics. And what about the negative developments that we have found in the reading, it could be, for example, when it talk about a nuclear, chemical, and what else? There was and biological bombs. So we are talking about bombs. This is negative. This is a negative impact in our planet. So you're going to find information in your reading, and you're going to list over here the positive aspects and negative developments that you found over there, okay? Okay, mindfulness activity. Letter A. What do you think about the ideas that have changed the world? Here are some inventions mentioned in the above reading. In the reading, we read about transportation, technologies, and industry. So, what are you going to do over here? You're just going to think about this. All these ideas were created from human beings like us. Okay? The activity that you are going to develop is letter B. In letter B, it says, you can also change the world. Think about a new idea that would change our planet positively and follow these steps to generate great ideas. Okay, so over here you have 5 steps. You're going to follow these steps and complete this activity. The first one, look for a quiet place at home. You're going to look, it could be, for example, your bedroom, your study room if you have, okay? And you're going to look for a quiet place at home. Number 2, try to be as relaxed as possible by inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling, exhaling. Okay, so you're going to be relaxed. And number 3, think about a problem that needs to be solved in the world. Okay, think about the problem. And number 4, you're going to write down on a paper all the ideas you have. Make a brainstorm. Choose one you could solve. From all your ideas, you're going to choose just one. For example, in my personal case, the problem for me it is that there are a lot of homeless dogs. Okay? There are a lot of dogs that don't have homes to live, a family to live with. Okay? So for me that is a problem, homeless dogs. Okay, step number 5. Think about a great solution for the problem. It doesn't matter how crazy it could sound. Okay, I'm going to think about a solution for that problem. My problem is homeless dogs. Which could be the solution? Okay, let's see step number 6. Now share with us your idea. Okay, the solution for me for the homeless dogs, it could be that the government prohibit the purchase and sale of dogs. And for example, if a person wants to own a dog, if he or she must adopt a dog, adopt, okay? Not buy, but adopt. This could be a solution for me. I don't know for you. Okay, so you're going to think about the problem and then you're going to give a solution. That is activity that you have to do over here. Okay, and our last activity is self-evaluation. So now we are going to read two questions and we're going to answer if we agree or disagree. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay, so the first one. Do you think that the ideas that have changed the world have been positive for our planet? ¿Ustedes creen que las ideas que han cambiado el mundo han sido positivas para nuestro planeta? So you're going to check if you agree with this. You're going to check yes, I do. Or if you don't agree with this, maybe it is not for you. You don't think in that way. You're going to check no, I don't. Okay? Number 2. After creating your idea to change the world, do you consider yourself a critical and creative person? Yes, I do. Or maybe you think that you don't. So, no, I don't. Okay? That is your personal answers. So, that's it. And now it's your turn. Yes, you can do it. Please, let's do it together. Bye-bye. Take care.